my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. We're talking about a filament today. We're talking about the AzureFilm. This is a company based in Sezana in Slovenia, very close to the Italian border of Trieste. They were so kind to send me some spool to test out. And today we're going to talk about the Silk Gold PLA. Before getting into the review, I would like to tell you about a collaboration I have ongoing with this really good friend of mine, Giuseppe. He has an Instagram page, 3D Print All. You will find all the links in the description. He talks about filament, reviews printers, and talks about application with electronics and 3D printing. All the links to his page will be in the description. Go pay him a visit. It's worth it. AzureFilm Filament unboxing is a premium experience. It comes in this beautiful white package and the spool is sealed, vacuum sealed, silica gel inside, and the spool looks amazing. It's like different from usual, as this like transparent spool, which is really nice. And filament is like rolled and fixed in a very nice way. Before I forget, if you want to buy some spool of AzureFilm, links will be in the description. If you use the code Alessandro10, you will have 10% discount. You will find all the links and coupon in the description so you can copy paste if you want to buy it. Let's get into the juicy part. What have I printed? And I'm sure you probably already seen what's big and showing off, but I would like to start telling you about what I printed as calibration test. And of course, the Calicat cannot be missed. I love Calicats. Those who know me and follow me already a little bit know that I love Calicat. Calicat tells a lot about the filament, tells you about the stringing, tells you about how it handles temperature and movements and retraction. And this Calicat came out flawless and it really looks nice. You see a little bit of the infill, but that's because the external wall were set to be really thin. Then I found this beautiful calibration cube from Chep or Kep, I don't know how you spell that, and it really looks nice. It printed out very nice. You can see the silky here, and also touching it, it feels like silk. So this filament prints great, prints like PLA. It prints a little bit higher temperature than regular PLA. I think I printed out at 220, which is the suggested temperature. And results, as you can see, are really nice. No other special settings. Then I printed out this silver huge replica of a nozzle, if I manage to focus that. And it's a great piece. I mean, it looks amazing, it looks real. It looks like a brass. It comes in two pieces, and this is part of a project that I'm not gonna tell you about. Probably you'll see this print complete with the other piece in another video, I promise. I started enjoying myself, and when you buy a gold silk filament, you buy it like for a purpose. You buy it to print out stuff that needs to be shown off. I've had these vases around the house displaying, and people who come visit, everybody asked, where did you buy that? And it's a pleasure for me to answer, I 3D printed it and I used AzureFilm. So I found this beautiful vase on Thingiverse. Probably most of you that know my videos know that I love printing Vase Mode. Vase Mode is great when you need to like see how a filament performs, how a show-off filament, as I like to call them, performs. And this vase came out brilliant. I couldn't stop to one vase, then I printed another one. I had this model in my hard drive already a long time. And this vase here plays with light. It's a low poly vase, that's what they call it. And I think that the result is really impressive. Every time I print Vase Mode, my suggestion for you is to print a double width extrusion. I'm using a 0.4 nozzle, but the line width is set to 0.8, so double the normal. This gives more strength to the print, and it doesn't break when you take it off, as when you usually print with 0.4, and results are amazing. Then of course, getting into the useful and stuff, I printed out this in Vase Mode as well. 0.8 extrusion is a makeup pencil holder for my wife. She loved it. I had to go pick it up now to do the video because it was already in her toiletry stuff. And I don't know what to say. It looks like a product that you buy, even though it's home 3D printed with my Artillery Genius. It really looks amazing. Staying on useful stuff, it's hard to find something useful to print when you're using a filament that's so nice and pretty. Its application is not good for bolts and screws or mechanical parts that have to friction with each other. But then I found this. It's a desk organizer. My wife was asking for one. It's from Break Things. I found this on Thingiverse, I think, or My Mini Factor. I'll link you in the description the STL file. And this printed out beautifully. This is going to be on my wife's desk as an organizer for pens and post-it. So overall results of these filaments are really impressive. We're talking about a filament that's in the average cost of the 20-25 euros sent to you, and it's amazing. It really holds on your expectation on filament. Unboxing experience was one of the best, like premium package, premium spool. So really well done, Azure. So would I buy this? Yeah, I would definitely buy it. I would definitely buy it to print out stuff that needs to be shown off to people. The feeling of people asking you, where did you buy it, makes you feel good. And if you're a 3D maker, you know what I'm talking about. Being able to tell people, I 3D printed it. And they go, what? Yeah, 3D printed it. And using good materials is a good way to pursue that road. So guys, all the links to AzureFilm Filament will be down in the description. Don't forget to use the code Alessandro10. You will have 10% discount. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys soon with probably another AzureFilm review.